So you will get a code on your screen when you try to open the Prime Video on your MX stick TV stick. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to go to primevideo.com/mytv, then sign in and create a channel account, then enter the code. Okay, so you will get a screen like this on your laptop or PC when you going to register. Okay, so here we have to type the code, registration code, to register our device. Okay, so this is the registration code, we have to type it here. Okay, so after typing the code, the registration is successful, and now the TV screen like this you can see introducing Prime Video profiles. Okay, let's get into it. So now you can see our TV screen. This is our Prime Video interface. You can watch anything which is here. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.